What I was really surprised about was that there's so much interest, and these people are hungry. They're really hungry to do something on a board level.
It's fantastic to be able to put on an event for the first time and actually sell out. We had to kind of stop the booking and just say, hey, we've actually filled the room, and we've already filled another 7 or 8 spots in our July program.
I thought there were some very, interesting, questions. They weren't just surface-based questions. I thought that there was some strong interest around elements of, all the elements of the presentation, but very much so, okay, what are the next steps?
I think what you highlighted during today's program is that there is quite a few steps you can take to really educate yourself and increase your level of success.
One of the things I particularly noticed from the crowd was there was a lot of energy and a lot of engagement, and I think the key takeaway that most people took away was actually there is a path, there is a way that I can get started, and then I can get onto this and I can start to make this happen.
But I think one thing that's really, really important to do, and for everyone to remember, you got to be in the game to win it.
I strongly recommend anyone considering a board position to sign up.